There is a text.
Your Honor,
I think this is a Viber message.
yes, that's disappearing message, Your Honor.
Can you read, Engineer Bryce, the name of the person that is there, that is stated in the Viber message, and the content of the message, please?
Your Honor, if may I recommend Engineer JP Mendoza to read the actual message because he's the one who took the photos personally from our boss Henry Alcantara.
All right. Sige po, pakibasa na lang po. This is the final slide.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Before I proceed, kagaya rin po sana ng request ni Engineer Bryce kanina dahil medyo maselan po itong conversation na to, baka pwedeng mag-request din po sana ako ng security kung sakali.
Yes po. The committee commits to the safety and security of the witnesses and resource persons who are here, who are committed to the truth, no? So the same will be granted to Engineer Mendoza. You may proceed.
Thank you, sir. Sir, yung picture po na yan ay nung October 2023 na kung saan nagre-request po si Senator Joel ng yung mga binasa po ni Engineer Bryce ng flood control kanina na nakasaad doon sa context. 4 lang po yung napapicturan sa akin ng boss ko. Kumbaga, parang sa summary po na yan na sinasabi ni Senator Joel na mababa lang yung kanyang pondo, subalit siya ang majority floor, isa siyang majority floor leader siya noong that time and member siya ng Commission on Appointment.
Okay. Thank you for providing the context, but you have to state for the record who this person is. Is this Senator, nakalagay na po kasi Sen Joel eh. So, is this the senator that we know? Joel Villanueva?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you read for the record also the content, the specific content of the message?
Again, naguguluhan ako bigla kay Sec. Parang nakalimutan ba niya? Number 1, prob sa flood control and all the efforts we put in. Number 2, for his CAA, his budget this coming year, etc. He committed sa akin. Pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary.
All right. Do we have another slide for us? Oh, ito mas malinaw po.
Mr. Chair, clarification lang. Kanino sinend yung message and sino yung SEC? When dun sa message, you're referring to a SEC. Sino yung SEC?
Secretary Manny Bunoan po.
Okay. Kanino sinend yung message na yan?
Kay Boss Henry po.
Okay, bakit
thank
kami
you.
kopya?
Dahil disappearing message po yan, hindi po niya pwedeng screenshot. Pinapicturean po niya para mabasa po.
Okay. Kanino pinapicturan?
Sa akin po.
Alright, thank you. So, phone to basically ni District Engineer Alcantara. Alright, next slide. Do we have other slides? Can we go back again? Go back to the pangalawang ano yan, di ba? Can we read for the record? Excuse me po. Mano? Can we ayan, second slide. Next slide. Yan. Can we read for the record what is in the second message? Para lang po malinaw. Again, this is a conversation supposedly between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, which is supposedly a disappearing message, no? Tapos pinapicturan kay Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po. Can you read it for the record, please?
For his CA, his budget this coming year, etc. He committed sa akin, pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary. Ngayon parang lumalabas same na ang 1 and 2. Pag-usapan namin, boss, bukas, boss. So, can relay to SEC po.
Okay, all right, thank you. Next slide. This is another slide which is the same context. All right. Sige po, just read it for the record. This is another slide. Conversation between Senator Joel and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po.
Yes, boss. See you po bukas 6 p.m. sa GIL. Majority leader tayo, hindi kong or just one CA member. Yes, boss, I will.
All right. That is clear. Next slide, please.
May atraso DPWH sa
Sorry,
amin.
I have to provide the context. Again, this is another screenshot. This is the fourth picture. Conversation between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Picture taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Please proceed with reading the contents.
May atraso DPWH sa akin. So if he treats me na isa lang issue, he's not respecting me.
All right. Nabasa na ba? All right. Next slide, please. Who is this person? Who?
That's from my phone, Your Honor. This is maybe nagkabaliktad po. Yung susunod po ang una. Ito po. This was way back 2022. The time when Beng Ramos was introduced to me by my boss, the Alcantara. And sinabi niya dito na may project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara sa kanya. So, from WJ Construction, yung ano po, yung tao. And related sa kanya si Miss Beng Ramos, which is staff of Senator Jinggoy. Dito po is conversation.
So, excuse me, before proceeding, can we state for the record again who is Beng Ramos?
Staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Staff of Senator Beng Ramos is a staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Yes po, Your Honor.
All right, please proceed.
This was the time na meron pong project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara kay Miss Beng Ramos through Miss Mina of WJ Construction. So, yun po yung ginamit na license or contractor. At nandyan po yung pag-uusap kung kailan po magde-deliver ng obligasyon dahil kailangan po ni Boss Henry.
All right. Sige po. Okay. Okay na. All right. Sige po. We will give District Engineer Henry Alcantara, before proceeding to the different topic na po, we will give you the right to reply.
Yung pong huling picture, wala naman pong binabanggit na ako po yan eh. Siya po ang kausap. Yung una po, yung kay Senator Joel, ang tanda ko po dyan, nagre-request po siya ng mga multipurpose building, yung secretary at that time. Tapos po, nung nandun po kami sa hearing sa Senate, kinausap ko po siya, sabi niya, nagre-request ako kay secretary, papalo up po na lang. Ilan po yan, wala naman po nakalagay dyan na ako'y may transaksyon ng financial sa kanya. Nagre-request po siya, normal lang po, nagre-request po siya ng multipurpose building, additional po sana, para mailagay po sa Bulacan po. Yun lang po, Your Honor.
All right,
Chair,
thank you.
Mr. Chair, 1 minute. Tanong ko lang, yung dun sa pera, ano explanation niya po?
Your Honor, yung pera po na yun, yung nasa bahay na po yun, I think po, yan po ay pera ng contractor po na nakolekta, nagamit ang ibang lisensya, doon lang po dinala, at nagkatuwaan po na picturean po yan. That's not for the proponent, Your Honor.
All right. Okay.